Alright, good morning everybody. It's a beautiful day here in Yamaguchi, Japan. And we're getting ready to go to Kurumatsu to check out a classic car dealership. So I got a buddy of mine, Nate. He's looking for an old Skyline. We're going to see what we can find. And just check out what they got as inventory. I heard they got some pretty cool stuff. So here we go. Let's check it out. Anyway, this is Jaden, everybody. He's riding with us.
What are you doing, a blog or something?
Yeah, man. For all 2 of my subscribers. Jaden, what are you looking for? You're looking for like a S chassis, right?
Like
something maybe you can drift. Cool. All right. Well, this place is more geared towards classics, but
that's fine.
We're gonna see what they got. All right, here we go. So we're here to pick up Nate, waiting for him. I think we're in the right spot, but there's an R35 in the driveway here, so that's pretty cool. Don't get too close. Owner might come out with a rifle or something. That's dope.
See his sign?
That's pretty cool, man.
See his sign?
GTR parking only. All of this will be crushed. Cool. That's funny.
That's pretty cool.
That's a nice one too.
Even the brakes are
good. You like that one?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay. Alright. Here we go. We know where we're going this time? So I'm not giving directions anymore?
good. It's not very good at it.
It's my phone that's not good at it. It's not me. Alright, Nate, say hi to all my fans.
What up?
So what are we looking for today?
Looking for either 71 or 72 GTR, dude.
GTR? How about this R35 right here?
Dude, it's a monster, man.
And
Old man
fresh.
drives that thing.
Old
dude.
guy?
Yeah, dude, that's his weekend car.
Yeah. Little OG song.
Yeah, dude.
Alright, so let's see what we find. park wherever.
Cute. Yellow one.
You like?
Looks like Bumblebee.
Bumblebee?
Transformer?
All right, finally made it. Let's see what we got here. They just got this one in.
That's where you found your treasure, Mark?
This is what my buddy showed me. What's going on, Chris? He's working on his back here.
This is where you found your nice little arc setting, right?
Look at this. Look at the exhaust on that. That's ridiculous, isn't it? What do you got going on, man? This is Chris's Skyline right here.
Gaijin edition. Look at that shit. It's actually
Oh, that's left-hand drive Datsun 240Z. So we got the engine in, doing some body work.
Yeah, I gotta put the cover on.
Okay, okay. Not bad. All right, man. So he's looking for one too. Let's see what we got here.
You got an extra 40 grand. You can get a rotary. You can get a rotary RX2.
Nah, he's looking more in your direction. Man. We got all kinds of stuff in here. What do you think? Sugoi.
Sugoi.
Which one you want?
Yellow one.
Yellow one?
That's what you need, man. Just go get this. There's a V8 in it.
Good old Toyota Crown.
Oh, the car?
Mm-hmm.
This one is crown.
All classic. They even got some bikes over here.
Crown.
Well, you should have waited.
Why?
You got the 7 instead of turn in or?
Why? He's got one?
Nah, but you just always jump in the gun. Buy
You,
shit don't
if
need.
you find an 8.6, maybe I'll talk to him.
I was about to go get that.
It's cool, little truck. That's what's up. Like it. Alright, so we're gonna go inside and talk to him.
The
See what
7.5
we
one
can
is
get.
the one I was gonna get, but no, I waited. Unlike you.
Old school Nissan Laurel.
Yes, sir. That's mine. This is carbon fiber.
Yeah?
That's FLP. Hood. Front's FLP.
She's a little rough,
Yeah.
but she's all there. They need work, some of them need work, but this one's got flames.
Julio, man, you need this. The Japanese road rider.
Cholo.
The hood's a little rough on the inside. The bracket is like coming off.
So this dude's helping a customer right now. We'll just chat with him when he gets a chance. It's the guy in coveralls right here. He runs the
that's
show.
boss man right there.
Yep. He's the president. Alright, so we'll just wait for him. Cool. Dude, what is that? Like a 10-foot exhaust?
Yeah.
That is insane.
And then he's doing that long nose convulsion. He's come up here in the front. Hit the hood. And the fender.
Look at this exhaust. That is ridiculous.
Oh, he extended it almost like a foot.
Wow. Segoi.
And then he's gonna put the fenders on too.
Dude, I don't even know what model this is. What is this? Oh. This thing's insane. Look at that. Here, stand next to this for reference. That is ridiculous. How tall are you?
6 to 9 inches.
Look at that.
I can't even touch the top.
That's great. It's held on by a bracket. Alright, so we're gonna go inside and talk to the boss man. See what we can get for Nate. Probably go to auction house.
Oh,
Boss
your
man's the
price
guy in the coveralls over there. Working with a customer.
what price?
10万、100万。This one.
探してね、行く方で
This one is like a Japanese. Japanese.
$30,000.
That's for a GTR, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
What about for GTX?
So
普通の
expensive.
2ドアのハコスカは探して持ってきても700万はする。
高い。Expensive.
Alright, I guess we're gonna keep looking.
4ドアだったらね、300、400であるんだけど、クーペは700しないとない。600、700する。
4ドアだったら
Four door?
this one.
Cheaper?
Yeah, 4ドア is like this one.
セダンね、4ドアセダン。
まあ
あれだったら安い。安くて安いって言っても300、400です。でも
Everybody wants two door?
クーペは
4ドア
600、700。
This one.
2 dollars.
1、10、100、1000、100万。This one. Japanese yen.
No, too much.
Well, I was looking at the 2-door, but then I saw that one. Like, 4 doors doesn't look too bad.
Yeah.
A
Alright,
little bit
well,
more practical as well.
can we just tell him to keep him in mind? And like let him know? Yeah, like
Yeah, look.
he's looking for a two door if he finds.
あのハコスカもあのまま
Yeah, yeah. And then he'll just tell him.
このクーペスカイラインクーペ
2ドア探してる。
オッケーオッケー
Alright.
高いよ高いよ
Expensive.
Oh, could you?
If you find it, you have to buy it right away. Okay.
Yeah, like
So
a
basically, what he's saying
five
is like if we find it, you gotta snatch it because
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know what I'm
of course.
saying.
Yeah.
Or somebody else will jump on it. But yeah, we'll just keep looking. Now let's say we found a 4-door in a decent condition. It's pretty much everything you want, but it's a 4. Would you consider? No. I can respect that. He wants what he wants.
Unlike you.
Yeah, exactly. Unlike me. Unlike me.
Can't make up your mind.
Not buying what I thought I should have. Okay, we're good. We're good. We'll just keep looking. Arigatou
はい了解で
gozaimasu.
す
Good,
クリスに
good.
言ってクリスからテレフォンね
Perfect. Thank you. Alright, so we're back. And got to see some cool stuff today at the garage. Had a lot of cool inventory. Got to talk to the boss a little bit. So Nate didn't find exactly what he was looking for, but you know, live to fight another day. So we're gonna keep searching for that. And the cool thing is that guy is like a specialist in dealing of classic Japanese cars, so he's definitely the right guy to have eyes on it. So we're gonna see where that goes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled as well. Try and give Nate a hand finding that dream skyline that he's looking for. And that's pretty much it. All right, it's been real. Thanks a lot, guys. See you next time.